flowers and candy. Now guys, every wife likes flowers and candy. Do you believe that? Have you ever asked your wife, would she enjoy flowers and candy? And if she does, how often do you bring it to her? But anyhow, the story begins. Yes, my wife does. Do I get them for her? Very rarely. Got a lot of room for growth in that relationship, right? So why are we up here? Because I need to grow. But anyway, the story goes, a woman noticed that the husband next door always came home from work with flowers and candy, and he gave his wife a big kiss at the front door. Feeling a little jealous, the lady wondered if a hint would motivate her own husband to do the same. So one day when her husband came home from a long day of work, she said, honey, have you ever noticed how the husband next door is always hugging and kissing his wife and bringing her flowers and candy? Why don't you do that? He says, because I don't know her. Did you understand that? No. Wait a minute. Would you do the same for your next door lady? It's the next door ladies that we're talking about here. She's asked her husband to do the same thing that the husband next door was doing for his wife. But he interpreted it as he was to do that for the next door lady's wife. Or the next door husband's wife. Lady's wife, wow. We blew it anyway because I hardly even know the woman, he said. So, but each couple must choose to develop their marriage portrait into a masterpiece that takes time. God created marriages for excellence.